Oh, what's that? Nope.
Yep, she sees.
She's like, I want that basket back.
Oh.
Yep, there she goes.
Guys, don't talk. Whoa.
Where is it, Paige?
I don't know.
Oh, yay!
Yeah! And she's
Okay, pick her up and show her how to put in the basket. Oh, she got it on the floor already.
Okay, let's put in the basket.
Paige, we split Easter. She
Put it in the
always found
basket.
an egg.
She goes, no, now I want it. Okay, where's another one?
Come on, let's find another one.
Come on, find another one.
Over here.
Paige. Come on, right there. Right there, go get it. Right there. Oh. Go get it, Paige. Right there.
Aw. Paisley. She still wants the basket. You see it? Here, Paige. Right here. See? Right here. Go get it. Go get it.
Go get your egg. No, Paige.
Well, there's some stars in there. Ah, she said, there's another one. Wow.
Put in the basket.
Good job.
Put in the basket.
I just got it. Why do you want me to put it in the basket when I just got it?